Hello students, welcome back. So I hope all of you are doing very well. So today we are going to start another new chapter, that is adverbs. So what are adverbs? An adverb is a part of speech that provides greater description to a verb, another adverb, and an adjective. Okay? So it not only describe a verb or an adverb or an adjective, but also modifies it. Okay, for examples, I've given here 2-3 examples. Let's read it. He runs quickly. He runs very quickly. She is very beautiful. So in the first sentence, the word runs is a verb. So here quickly is an adverb. Why? Because the word quickly is modifying the word, or rather the verb runs. In the second sentence, he runs very quickly. Now here he runs, so the verb is the same, and quickly is an adverb which is modifying or describing the verb. But here you can see very is also an adverb which is further modifying the adverb quickly. Okay, so here very and quickly both are adverbs. She is very beautiful. So we all know beautiful is an adjective. So here very is modifying the adjective beautiful. Okay, so how many types of adverbs are there? So in your syllabus there are 9 kinds of or 9 types of adverbs. Adverbs of place, adverbs of manner or quality, adverbs of frequency, adverbs of degree or quantity, adverbs of time, adverbs of reason, adverbs of affirmation or negation, interrogative adverbs, and relative adverbs. So these are the types which are there in your syllabus. Okay, so today we will only read up to, or rather know up to, interrogative adverbs. Okay, so let's start with adverbs of place. So adverbs of place generally describes where an action is happening. Okay, it answers the question where. Now for example, outside, inside, out, in, everywhere, here, there, etc. These are the words which are the adverbs of place. Let's see some examples. Okay, sentence example. Don't go there. Suppose I commanded someone, don't go there. So here the word there is giving the answer to the question where. Where not to go. Where I should not go. There. So here there is the adverb of place. I searched for her everywhere. So everywhere answers the question where. So everywhere. So everywhere here is the example of adverb of place. I kept the chocolates inside the box. So where I kept the chocolates? Inside the box. So here the word inside is an example of adverbs of place. Moving forward, adverbs of manner or quality. So it describes how something happens. Okay, it answers the question how or in what manner an action is done. Now for example, swiftly, quickly, gently, normally, happily, carefully, etc. are the examples. These are the words which comes under adverbs of manner or quality. Let's see some sentence examples. Do the sums carefully. So what is the action? Do the sums. But how? In what manner? Carefully. So the word carefully is the adverb of manner or quality. He spoke gently. So what is the action? Spoke. But in what manner or how? Gently. Okay. Write the answers briefly. So briefly here the adverb of manner, because it answers the question how or in what manner. Okay, the action is done. Now comes adverbs of frequency. So it tells us how often or how frequently something happens. Okay, and it answered the question how many times. For example, weekly, daily, sometimes, often, etc. Like, for example, let's see some sentence example. We seldom see Maria. So, we seldom see Maria. So, how many times I see Maria? We see Maria. Seldom. I always brush my teeth. Now, how many times I brush my teeth? I brush my teeth always. Okay. How often also? Okay. How often I brush my teeth? Always. She goes out occasionally. So, how often she goes out? Occasionally. Okay. Now comes adverbs of degree. So, it tells us about the intensity of something. Okay. And it provides information concerning how much of something is done. For example, too, enough, very, just, then almost, etc. So, the movie is quite interesting. So, the movie is interesting, but how much? How much interesting? Quite interesting. So, quite is modifying the word interesting. So, here quite becomes the adverb of degree. The water is extremely hot. So, here the word extremely shows how much. Okay. How much the water is hot? Extremely. So, here extremely is adverb of degree. She has almost finished her homework. Now, almost. She has finished. But how much she has finished? Almost. So, the word almost is an example of adverbs of degree. Okay. Come to the next one. Adverbs of time. So, adverbs of time tells us when the action happened. Okay. It answered the questions. It answered the question when. Okay. For example, now, today, tomorrow, later, for a week, etc. Okay. So on. Soon. Okay. Like okay. I will talk to you later. So when I'll talk to you? I'll talk to you later. So here the word later is the adverb of time. I am busy now. So now, the word now is the adverbs of time. Okay. Come to the next one, adverbs of reason. So adverbs of reason are words used to tell the reason behind the happening of a particular occurrence. Okay. Now for example, therefore, hence, because, so, etc. So because he was not feeling well, he didn't go to the school. So another thing I must tell you, there is no rule that adverbs must come in the middle or at the end. It can also come at the beginning also. Okay. So because he was not feeling well, so I'm giving him the reason. Okay. He didn't go to the school. It was raining heavily, therefore we stayed in the home. Okay. So word like because, therefore are adverbs of reason. Okay. Come to the next one, adverbs of affirmation and negation. So these are used to confirm or negate an action. For example, like surely, definitely, probably, hopefully, never, not. Now never, not. Okay, these are the negative words. These are adverbs of negation. Okay, like, okay, see some examples. She is certainly going through hard times. Now certainly is affirming things. Okay, so here the word certainly is adverbs of affirmation. He will definitely win the race. So here the word definitely shows an affirmation. Okay, the confirmation, that adverbs of affirmation. Okay, she never does her homework. So the word here never shows something negative. Okay, so the word never becomes adverbs of negation. He will never reach on time. So again the word never is an example of adverbs of negation. Okay. Okay, so now interrogative adverbs. So interrogative adverbs means these are the words to ask question, okay, about time, place, number, manner, quantity and reason. So the examples are when, where, how, okay, why, etc. And they are usually placed at the beginning of a question. So it is an adverb that asks a question about time, place, manner or reason. So where do you live? So basically I'm asking about the place. So where, the word where is an interrogative adverb. When will you come? So here the word when is again interrogative adverb because it's asking about the time. Why are you shifting? So suppose someone is moving from one place to another. So I've asked why are you shifting? So I'm asking about the reason. Okay. So how much freedom do you want? So I'm asking about the quantity. Okay. So here how much is interrogative adverb. Okay. How do you plan to go to Shimla? Now again I'm asking about the manner. Okay. So how becomes an adverb, interrogative adverb. Okay. So today we are keeping the chapter up to this. So meeting you again in our next class for the same chapter. Till that time, go through the examples, solve the given exercise. Okay. Take care of yourself and thank you.